Can you use CrankWheel on a Mac? If you've been wondering whether CrankWheel works seamlessly with macOS, you're in the right place. Stick around to find out everything you need to know about using CrankWheel on your Mac, plus some exclusive perks you won't want to miss. First things first, CrankWheel is a screen sharing tool that's designed to help salespeople share their screens instantly with potential clients. The good news? You can absolutely use CrankWheel on a Mac. It's fully compatible with macOS, and getting started is easy. Next thing, while CrankWheel is primarily a browser-based tool, it's important to know that it works best with Google Chrome. So, make sure you've got the latest version of Chrome on your Mac for the smoothest experience. Using it in Chrome ensures you can take full advantage of all the features like real-time screen sharing and the quick setup process. The third thing you'll want to know is that there's no need to download any extra software for CrankWheel to work. It's entirely web-based, so as long as you have a web browser, you're good to go. That means no heavy software installations or complicated setup. Just open your browser, log in, and you're ready to start sharing. Next thing, while CrankWheel works on a Mac without issues, if you're using Safari or another browser, you might run into a few quirks. Chrome really offers the best experience. It's worth noting that using the browser version of CrankWheel still gives you access to all the core features, but Chrome tends to provide the most stable and reliable performance. The fifth thing to mention is about the user interface. Whether you're on Mac, Windows, or any other platform, CrankWheel keeps things consistent. The platform is designed to be simple and intuitive, so you won't have to worry about navigating through unnecessary menus. Everything's laid out in a way that's easy to understand, and you can get up and running in no time. The sixth thing is the pricing. CrankWheel offers a free version, which you can use on your Mac. It's perfect for basic screen sharing needs, and it's completely free, no hidden fees or extra charges. But if you need additional features like more concurrent viewers or extended session lengths, you'll want to check out the paid plans. One more thing before you go, I want to mention something special. You can try CrankWheel with an extended, exclusive free trial through the first link below. This will give you full access to the premium features for a limited time, allowing you to test the software and see if it fits your needs before committing. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. So, to wrap things up, yes, you can definitely use CrankWheel on a Mac. It works smoothly, and with the right browser, it's an excellent tool for instant screen sharing. Remember, you can use CrankWheel for free, and if you're interested, there's an exclusive offer waiting for you in the description below to get a free extended trial. Make sure to take advantage of that before it expires.